In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a remittance advice in Xero, step by step. If you regularly pay suppliers and need to send them proof of payment with a breakdown of what's been paid, this is an essential feature you should be using. The good news is, Xero makes it very simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through the entire process from finding the bill to sending or viewing the remittance advice. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Xero guides just like this. Now, let's jump straight in. First, log into your Xero account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. From here, go to the top menu and click on Business. In the drop-down menu, select Bills to Pay. This is where all your supplier bills are stored, including draft, awaiting payment, and paid bills. Once you're inside the Bills to Pay section, click on the Paid tab. This is important because remittance advice is generated from bills that have already been paid. If the bill hasn't been marked as paid yet, you'll need to record the payment first before you can send a remittance advice. After clicking the Paid tab, you'll see a list of all bills that have been paid. Find the specific bill you want to send remittance advice for and click on it to open it. This will take you into the detailed bill view, where you can see supplier information, invoice details, payment amounts, and payment history. Now that the bill is open, scroll down toward the bottom of the page until you find the Payment section. Here, you'll see the payment that was applied to this bill. Click on the Payment link. This step is key because the remittance advice is connected to the payment transaction, not just the bill itself. Once you click the payment link, you'll be taken to the Payment Details screen. In the top right-hand corner of the screen, you'll see an Options button. Go ahead and click on Options. A drop-down menu will appear with additional actions you can take. From this drop-down, select Send or View Remittance. As soon as you click this option, Xero will generate the remittance advice for that payment. From here, you'll have the option to either view the remittance advice as a PDF or send it directly to your supplier via email. If you choose to send it, you can review the email details, confirm the supplier's email address, and add a custom message if needed before sending. This is especially useful if you want to include a short note, such as confirming payment details or referencing a purchase order number. If you simply want a copy for your own records, you can choose to view or download the remittance advice instead. The document will clearly show the payment amount, the date of payment, the supplier's details, and the invoices that were included in that payment. This helps suppliers reconcile their accounts quickly and reduces back-and-forth communication. And that's it. That's how you create a remittance advice in Xero. Just to quickly recap, go to Business, then Bills to Pay, click on the Paid tab, open the bill, click the payment link at the bottom, select Options in the top right, and then choose Send or View Remittance. Once you've done it a couple of times, this process becomes very quick and can save you a lot of time when managing supplier payments. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow Xero tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.